Hey everyone, and welcome back. Before we begin here today, please make sure that you like and subscribe because it really does help out our channel, and it also helps us reach others in need of assistance with these topics. So what we're going to be covering in today's videos, we're going to be looking at calculus and how to apply the product rule. And this will be our second product rule example on this channel. So we have to find the derivative of this entire expression shown here. Now, the product rule will be applied whenever you have one subset being multiplied by another. And in order to apply the product rule, we have to do some substitution here. So we are going to set our first portion here equal to an equation f. So f would be 4x squared minus off 6. And then we're going to set an equation of g equal to our second portion, which is the square root of x. And what I'm going to write that as is x to the 1/2 power. Now, to apply the product rule correctly, this is what you're going to do. So the derivative with respect to x of now f times g, which we just substitute in f here and g here, would be equal to our equation of g times the derivative of f with respect to x plus the equation of f times the derivative of g with respect to x. So let's just plug in everything we have into this equation. So we would have our equation g, which is just x to the 1/2 power. And then it would be multiplied by the derivative with respect to x of our f, which is 4x squared minus off 6. And then plus our f, which is just 4x squared minus off 6, times the derivative with respect to x of our g equation, which is just x to the 1/2 power. So pretty much all our derivatives, or what we have to take, all our portions here, are of the expression of the derivative with respect to x of a times x to the b, where a and b are constant values. And this would just be equal to b times a times x to the x to the power of b minus 1. So we would have x to the 1/2 power, and then taking the derivative of 4x squared, this just becomes 8x minus off 0. Plus 4x squared minus off 6. And then the derivative of x to the 1/2 is 1/2 x to the minus 1/2 power. And then we just use algebra here. Pretty much all the calculus is done and finished. So we would have 8 times x to the 3/2 power for our first portion here, plus 2x to the 3/2 power minus off 3x to the minus 1/2 power. And then this would all be simplified down even further to 10x to the 3/2 power minus off 3 over the square root of x. And that would be our final answer for the derivative of the original expression up here. And that's how you would apply the product rule. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you want to see more problem solvers variety, please check out the other videos on our channel. Also, if you haven't done so already, please like this video, leave a positive comment below, and subscribe to the channel because all of that does assist us. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic day.